Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing a Mega Wrex monster truck. Yay! Open this up right now. Ow, 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 ow. Come on, open it. Oh! Good opening, Show. Crush card this time. Say bye-bye to this guy. Here's the monster truck Mega Wrex, which have blue tires and the body is silver. And Mega Wrex is a T-Rex because it has a tail too and sharp teeth. And this looks like a robot of a dinosaur, but stronger. And these wheels looks like the dinosaur is swimming in the water. And the yellow thing is from the sun that's bright and turns yellow. Same as the tail. And his eyes are looking at us. Right, T-Rex? That's is a robot. That's why you're silver, aren't you? Thank you, Brian. Bye-bye.